Hi friends, I'm Sapna Agarwal, Creative Director at Ansa Interiors. And today we are at Karishma Gurgaon, a studio that we did a couple of months back. And somehow it has genuinely become like a talk of the town instantly. So आज हम ये पूरा का पूरा studio देखने वाले हैं. We're going to have a look at how it has been designed and the way the work flows. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy the tour. Thank you friends for watching this video and I'm sure you enjoyed the tour. For any kind of architecture or interior design consultancy, you can contact us on www.ansainteriors.com or call us on 98106 What is the one best thing you liked about this showroom? Just write in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our videos. See you next week. Bye.